In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a product on Payhip. We'll walk through the exact steps you need to follow, and I'll explain what each option means so you can choose the one that fits your situation best. First, go ahead and log into your Payhip dashboard using your usual details. Once you're on the main dashboard, look towards the top of the page for the Products tab. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a list of all the products you've added to your Payhip account. This is your main control center for managing what you sell. Next, find the specific product you want to hide. If you have a long list, you might want to use the search bar or scan through the page carefully. When you've located the right product, look along that product's row for an edit option and click on it. This will open the product editor where you can adjust all of the product's details. Inside the product editor, start scrolling down the page until you see a section related to visibility. This is where you control whether your product is publicly available, hidden, or only available to people who have the direct link. Here, you'll see two different ways to hide your product. The first option is to set the product to invisible. Choose this if you want to completely hide the product from everyone. This is ideal when you're still editing the product, testing things out, or taking a break from selling it. With this setting, no one will be able to access the product page, even if they had the link before. It's essentially turned off for all customers. The second option is to set the product to unlisted. This means the product will not appear on your public storefront or in any general listings, but anyone who has the direct link can still see it and buy it. This is a great choice if you want to sell privately, for example, to a small group of clients, beta testers, or special customers, without making the product visible to the general public. Once you've selected the visibility option that matches what you need, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. After a moment, the page will reload and take you back to your product list. You should also see a small confirmation message at the top of the screen letting you know that your product settings have been successfully updated. And that's all you need to do to hide a product on Payhip.